guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find all of the Wicked stuff after the update is over. I am so sad because it was my favorite update, honestly. We got so many good stuff, and no, my favorite lobby is gone as well, so yeah. Anyways, where you can find Wicked items is if you go to the wardrobe section, if you go to view chests, you'll able to see all of your Wicked items. If you're wondering where the broom and the bubble is, it's in the trophy section instead of the Wicked section. So yes, you can still have this bubble, but it's just not in the Wicked chest, it's just in the trophy section. So yeah, I am very sad that this update is over. I cannot wait for Dressing Room Press to collab more with future movies, artists, etc. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!